Hey everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So, in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can delete your YouTube channel. So, to do that, go ahead and open up your YouTube application. Now, the home page will look somewhat like this of YouTube. Now, what you'll have to do is tap on you, which is up here on the bottom right corner. So what you'll have to do is near that profile, go ahead and tap on your channel or view channel. Now here on the top right corner, you can see the three dots or three options. Go ahead and tap on it. Now here you can see help and feedback. Go ahead and tap on it. So here what you'll have to do is simply tap on delete or hide your YouTube channel. So here you get the option whether you want to hide your channel temporarily or delete your channel permanently. The topic says that we want to delete your channel permanently, so we'll just go ahead and tap on delete your channel permanently. So here these are the steps that I have to follow in order to delete my YouTube channel. So once I agree to all these terms and conditions and follow this step, I'll be successfully able to delete my YouTube channel. So I hope this video has helped. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.